72. We keep it. Okay, test checklist. '72 or wherever you find a blank page, okay? So definitely classifying triangles, right? So you're gonna have to pick acute, right, obtuse, and between the three in terms of the side length, right? That would be a scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. So you got to be able to do that. If you want some page numbers, I'm going to put them in brackets here. 9 to 10, 12, 14, 18. You got to be able to sketch. Is that my calculator? Yeah. Using markings. That's all, markings. You're also going to have to classify doing some work. Classify using sine / cosine law, right? Pythagorean theorem, sum of triangles equal to 180, all of that kind of stuff. And here's the big note here. Note. Can you determine all three angles? Like, is there a way that you can possibly find all three angles just like that, just by either looking at it or using the sum of triangles equal to 180, right? This should be easy to classify. That's the easiest scenario. That's the one you're hoping for. Versus all three sides given. So let's say you have something like this. 7, 4, and 3. And you're like, hey, classify that. Well, you know for sure this is scalene. Right? But which angle would you check for? The one that's across the longest side, you would check for that one, right? Check. Use cosine law. And this should tell you a lot here. If it's negative, it's obtuse. If it's 0, it's right. If it's positive, it's acute. So that's basically what you need to narrow down. Let the marks tell you how much work is required. So I'm going to put this in a box. And yet we tell you think outside the box, right? Anyways. That's the triangle part. Now the quadrilaterals. Who's blasting the hits there? Okay. I don't want to hear it. It's probably good music, but classify. Okay. No names and properties. Okay. No names and properties. I'm going to give you some page numbers there. 26 to 27. I go over that. Sketch and label. 28 to 29. Work with trapezoids and kites. And by that I mean sides, diagonals, height, areas, all of that kind of stuff. Know how to do that. Underneath trapezoids, I'm going to give you the page numbers there. 30 to 32. Underneath kites, 33 to 39. And these are keys that I would have posted. If you want all of them mixed up, you go 40 to 47. And obviously, I would say it's kind of too late to do that all tonight, right? Like you should have most of that filled in, and you just go and refer back or try a couple that you haven't done yet. Lastly, polygons. We're almost done here. I'm just going to say this, find. If you watch my video, you know what that means. Find those, you should be able to calculate. I will say that calculate, right? Calculate using formulas. Identify ice, right? And you would find these on pages 50 to 52. You need to be able to do backwards examples. Find n, basically calculate n. There are more pages, but I will just say page 54. Calculate sides and perimeter. (57 to 59). And last but not least, I snuck in one vehicle finance question. Buying used. There's what are the two options when you buy used? You buy it from a dealer, or that's right. So just review what would be the difference there. Buying a used polygon, dealer or private, right? Not vehicle finance.